What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this video in which we're covering Render again, or the Render token. Abbreviation is RNDR. If you want to know that, and I wanted to cover it today for obvious reasons, but I also wanted to cover it today because to spread some education on the Render token. As you can see, it's up 44%, 40% now, but at this top we were at 95 cents. Major resistance level, was an enormous move, and it has already been bullish since the 21st of October. I also covered it. These weren't my price targets. I mean, I didn't expect a move like this, but it was already bullish. I mean, some collaborations with Apple. But apart from that, as I said, I do want to spread some education about it. It's an amazing project, all right? And it's only at a 200 million market cap, which is, well, it's a lot of money. But compared to what Render does, which is basically distributed GPU, I'm not sure, but distributed rendering of animations, right? And more. So that's an amazing concept, and you can spread it, as I said, over computers, iPads, all digital devices, and only at a 200 million market cap. Right, there are projects with a 1 billion market cap that don't even have utility. So Render token is actually being picked up by major players in the Web2 space and such. So it's an amazing project, and I would definitely check out the technicals behind it if I were you. Right now, though, what I wanted to have some education on is why this move happened right now. I mean, obviously, I know of the bullish fundamentals, but I didn't see any specific news coming out like yesterday evening that caused a move like this. So is this just a result of all that bullish news we got over the days, or not? Let me know down in the comments, and if you have some news, I'll pin your comment. Because I think that's very important too. Like I have somewhat of a platform. I think one of the most important things is that we educate each other. So in the comments, let me know why you think Render is amazing, and why you think we got to move like this. Apart from that, we will take a look at the technicals, and most of you know, oh, excuse me, my screen lagged a little bit. As most of you know, in analysis, I'm always realistic. So even though I'm bullish on Render token, I purely go off of the technicals, all right? In this case, at least, I take into account the fundamentals, but we have to be, we have to always know about the fundamentals or the technicals. I'm not sure what I was saying, but right now volume is amazing, so everything is good around Render token. Fundamentals are amazing, but the technicals, here you can see, I really hoped when I analyzed this earlier this morning, I really hoped that we would break above 85 cents, which is a resistance level we broke above, and then we got to 95 cents. I hope we would be able to break above that, because then if we would be able to stay on top of that, we could even get to our next price target at 1.05 and 1.1, which is pretty funny because $1, which is a major psychological resistance level, is actually not that strong. The strongest levels are 95 cents and 1.05 and 1.1, which you see more often. But unfortunately, we didn't manage to break above that. So that massively increases the chances of 95 cents being the top. At least for now, at least for the next couple of days. Right now we're dropping. The first support we'll encounter is a pretty strong support, and I should actually draw a new level for that, because it's this level. It's the lower bound of this bigger key area. It's a 382 FIB. We got that 2.618 there as well, lingering around, and we got 75 cents, which is a major psychological support level. It might even be stronger than the dollar. So we're dropping down there, and what's going to happen next really depends on the touch we get there. If we get a strong support touch, like we find support, and then we actually manage to break above 85 cents again, then I think there's I mean, we're definitely going up to 95 cents, but I think there's a very big chance that we'll go all the way up to 1.05. All right, so this would definitely be the most bullish scenario. Basically, simply said, finding support at 75 cents and breaking above 85 cents. We will definitely find support at 75 cents, but if we don't manage to break above 85 cents, it's just going to be a matter of time before we break down below 75 cents. And if that happens, we'll drop down all the way to 65 cents, and practically this bull run or this bullish momentum, at least for the time being, is over. We could get another rally from 65 cents, but obviously that will take some time. So right now the most supported level is 75 cents. We will find support there, but then what happens afterwards is really the biggest catalyst and biggest motive behind what's happening with Render in the upcoming hours, days, and probably even weeks. So yeah, that's a full analysis, I think, on Render. If you do have any questions, let me know. As I said, leave comments down in the comment section about news around render and use cases. But for now, I want to wish you all a great day. Take care and bye.